time to play. Milo starts his happy day, rubbing tummy, hungry too. What can Milo eat for you? Something crunchy, something sweet. A healthy rainbow is a treat. Apples red and pears so green, the yummiest fruit you've ever seen. Snap and crunch and munch, 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 great for breakfast, snack, or lunch. Banana yellow, peel it down. Milo wears a fruity crown. Orange is juicy, 1, 2, 3, full of power, can't you see? Blueberry small and purple too, healthy snacks for me and you. Milo shares with Puppy Ben, let's do it all and sing again. Happy hearts and wagging tails, healthy eating never fails. Grapes are rolling on the floor, Milo wants to eat some more. Watermelon, pink and cold, better than a pot of gold. Growing tall and growing strong, singing Milo's healthy song. Apples red and pears so green, the yummiest fruit you've ever seen. Snap and crunch and munch, 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 great for breakfast,